I was very lucky and very spoiled this Christmas.
Rings, necklaces.
All of it. Just a lucky girl. I think new people give a new perspective on things. When you're at a certain level in your career, there's only a few percentages that can change a lot of things. And we've had a lot of fun in the last couple of months. We've done a great work, and this is going to be a long year. But I'm looking forward to even the downs you're going to have, especially after missing so many events last year. But I can't wait to get out on the court. I love this game. I've achieved a lot, but yet I feel like I have a lot more left in me. That's why I get up and I go out and practice. I think there's a lot more to do in the Grand Slams, but events like these are quite important because they are the lead up to the big ones that you want to capture.